Welcome back, fellows of TechPress. Today let's talk a little bit more about Klarna. So you have a good full Amazon card, but you wanted to split the bill into 4 payments using, for example, Klarna, one of the greatest tools to pay into different flexible times. Now the only problem in here is that there's no Klarna button at the checkout of Amazon. So how can we solve this problem? So basically the step number 1 is to generate your virtual card. So the only way to do this, for example, is to open your Klarna application, go into the option that says sign in. Once we are already been signed in, you want to search for Amazon into the built-in browser. This is crucial. You must shop inside the Klarna application for this to actually work. If you don't have an actual account, you don't have to worry about it. You have the link down below in the description, so you can get a free Klarna account and you might be getting a few rewards just by signing in. So the first thing I wanted to do here is to just sign in really quick directly here into my account. And basically it will be showing you, let's say that you must shop inside the Klarna application for this to work. Because this is actually crucial, you must shop inside the Klarna application. So what you wanted to do is to look exactly for the same product you want to buy directly inside Klarna. Because if I go directly into my bag, for example, what's gonna happen here is that it won't be appearing Klarna. So the only way of doing this is by, let's say, try to find exactly the same product directly into the Klarna shop section. Where it says shop, just click into the option that says Amazon, and here what you can do is to pay into the application with the exact element, which is actually Klarna. So it says how to pay with Klarna at Amazon. The process actually is not that hard. Just get the application, search for the Amazon product. As you can see, just copy and paste the product here. If you have any trouble, what you can do is to try to find the product here. Look out for the option that appears as share, and usually appears directly inside here. So you want to go to copy the URL, you paste it directly inside here, and what you can do is to choose the option on the checkout to start with the actual plate with Klarna. Now there's an actual limitation for me personally, because we are currently from Latin America, so we are not able to do this process directly inside here. That's the reason why Klarna won't be showing me the actual process. But still, in your case, since you do have the Klarna available, what you needed to do is to download the actual application of Klarna, and once you are signed in, you want to search for the exact products that you have found directly to Amazon, put it in your card and pay with Klarna. Now at the checkout, you wanted to make sure that you select with Klarna to be the flexible payment options so you can complete the actual purchase. I assume, for example, that you wanted to use Klarna to pay with more flexible payments, such as, let's say, for example, more than just one-time payment, but that's totally up to you. Now, just in case you have any issue, just in case you have any trouble there, what you can do is to go directly here into Klarna.com, focus for the option that says customer service, and directly inside here, you want to look out for the option that says contact us, or to sign in to check 24/7. If you have the availability to request an actual callback, I totally recommend you to choose callback, which is much more faster and easier to access this kind of customer service element. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools like this, you can let us know in the comments below. Remember that when it comes to talking about the refund to unused balance, usually that refund will come directly into your credits for Klarna and not back into the original payment methods. You wanted to take that in mind. So I have officially mastered the Amazon Klarna bridge. Shopping has never been smoother. If you're a heavy Amazon shopper, watch the next video into how to use Amazon monthly payments versus Klarna. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully we can all see you next time.